I thought you guys wanted to ride the trails.
No, no. Oh, I would love to, but I just can't ride them with that.
Okay, that's no problem. We'll go. Well,
does that go?
now let's just go back down. This runs about 18 or 20 miles on dirt that way.
But if you guys want,
No.
You got a new toy, you like to ride in dirt, you guys want to buzz that back over here for you.
Nah.
Oh, no, because that comes out, back down. Well, you can ride a while, come back, or whatever.
The first time I ever went dirt bike riding over here, I had a 200 Suzuki, DR200. And a buddy of mine had bought a bike, and he had two friends. And they had the KLR 650 and the KLR 250. And these guys was either brothers or father or son. I can't remember which, because this has been quite a while ago. So we started way off down there, and we'd come up, and every time we'd stop in an area like this one right here, the older guy would get off, and he'd walk off down there in the woods behind a tree, and he'd pick up a bottle. Take him 2 or 3 swings out of it. It's just not really, you know, this is a street bike. Yeah, this is just a street bike that they gave 1 more inch in the front suspension and put Pirelli, what they call dirt trail tires on it, and built this little body work on it, and that's all it is, you know, a stock bike. It's not geared any different or anything. So it's tolerable out here. It's not, but the thing that bothers me in the dirt's that damn 17-inch front wheel.
Yeah.
You know, I'm riding over the top of it, and I'm used to a 21, man. I come up that thing on my dirt bike, and I'm sliding them corners, you know, and it just having me a big time, you know. On this, I'm going, you know, you saw how I was doing.
It's got a mind of its own.
Yeah. This.
That little 17-inch.
Yeah.
And see that? He's got the sides, he's got the panels off of that thing.
Yeah, I thought it was the same thing yours was. I just didn't pay no attention to it.
Oh, God, that's good.
We'll go back down, and we'll take some of these back roads back in here.
Yep.
But you gotta watch it. There's tractors and school buses and shit around these corners out here. You never know what you're gonna see. Bears and deer walking across the road.
Oh, that's what I'm afraid of.
I've seen bear right here several times. Got this particular area. I don't know why they congregate. Maybe people throw stuff out or something or other. Right on down here. If you ever been across Fort Mountain over there?
No,
You never been across Fort Mountain? Well, we may have to take you down there. Anyway, I rode this all the way up through here, down the side, and then come back up through there and come back on 411 over there and come back across Fort Mountain. So I'm having me a big time and everything, and I'd been out of about 3 hours, I guess, riding, and my GoPro had run out of battery about 5 minutes before this happened. Because I could see where I stopped. I come across the crest of Fort Mountain coming this way on it. And I come down and I come around a curve this way. And when I got around there was a bear standing in the middle of the damn road. And it's a 2-lane road, and it's not a wide 2-lane road, you know. And I got on the brakes because I didn't know what the hell he's going to do. And I'm walking on the brakes, and there's a car coming the other way, and he walks right across in front of me and stops on that white line right there. And I went by him about 5 miles an hour, him just looking at me something awful. And what I loved, I had that on the camera. Oh, man.
You're just lucky.
So
the car didn't hit him, the bear hit you, and
I got home, I threw that thing in the computer, the cards, you know, and the damn thing ended about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes before that happened. And I thought, well, that's just my damn luck, you know. My luck is the one that grabs me out here, because there's a lot of them out here, and eats me, I have it on GoPro. We're going to go this way. I'm on the wrong damn road. We're going to have to go back across and go down. I'm sorry. What's that?